Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? So like in say in this community, this Kodi stream community, we've got a couple of guys who make Kodi forks for people, right? And then you got some Kodi devs that within their add-on they have requests, a request section so that you can contact them and say, could you please add that one? Could you please add this one? Could you please add whatever? And they do that, they're obliged. Well, these are a collection of builds that have been requested by YouTube subscribers that have been made basically for them and for the community to share, just like with the Kodi add-ons and with the Kodi forks. So I was going to quickly go through them. Tyler Perry, I think that's how you say it. I don't know if it's Perry Tyler or Tyler Perry, I don't know. But this is a non-Debrid build, and as you can see, it's got a 32-bit fork and a 64-bit cut fork. All right, so these are for you guys to test out, try out. Game of Thrones. This is a unique build that it has just 3 pages. You've got the main page, and to the left, you've got, I think it's a. No, the main page is like a Debrid page. And then on the page on the left is a non-Debrid page. I could be wrong. And the third page is a sports page. So 3 pages, 3 sets of widgets, a widget for each page, and it's not like one of those builds where you have to go left, right, left, left, and you've got like a million pages. This is just 3 pages, so it looks great. Doesn't have all that bloat stuff on there at all. You'd have to. Well, it still has a lot of add-ons, but hey. Anyway, next, Elvis. I think out of all of these, Elvis is the newest one. Elvis is a 1 page build. I can't remember if it's Debrid or non-Debrid. It's probably a mixture of both. And so it's another build, you can say it's got add-ons, but it's not a big bloated build. So you've got one set of widgets, so it's easy for most devices to use, and it's got the best add-ons. Freedom, I will say this is a bloated build. Right, fully loaded. Basically was a non-Debrid. I think someone on this channel gave it the name Freedom. Freedom meaning free, non-Debrid. What can I say? It is one of the best builds in the world. All right, it covers nearly everything. So I'm really proud of that build. Invasion. This is a unique sci-fi 80s film, 80s themed build. Yeah. So anything to do with UFOs, got a bit of horror in there, alien invasion. I can't remember if it's got sports. I can't remember. But yeah, you've got all the 80s background pictures and sci-fi stuff, and I like how it opens up the main pages like Invasion of the Body Snatchers. Yeah, that's a great film. That film did shit me up when I was a kid, I'll tell you. They all pointing at each other. Pointing at. Yeah. Anyway, what we got next? So we go below. All right, below. Iron on the Bridge is another build that was asked to be made. As you can see, it uses someone's eye. It could be two people's eyes that are Irish. Yeah. So there's 2 versions of this. There's a non-Debrid version, which the person asks for because they don't have Debrid, and there's a Debrid version as well. So when you go in the wizard, you'll see one called I non-Debrid and one called I Debrid. Now Martin has not been given much love at all. Yeah, that's another non-Debrid build. It's got the introduction of one of Martin Lawrence's TV comedy shows back in the is it the 90s, early 90s? Yeah, I don't know if they played that one in the UK. Anyway, yeah, non-Debrid. Another non-Debrid one, Traitors. Traitors is one of the best sort of reality shows out there. It's really big here in England, and I guess I see that nearly every country the world's got the Traitors. They do the Traitors thing. So yeah, there you go. All of these builds have their own fork, so it doesn't interfere with your own official Kodi app. But this is like a non-Debrid as well. I believe. Do I believe? I can't remember if there's any Debrid stuff in there. Probably. Last but not least, KSP, and I can't remember what it stands for. Knockouts, submissions, pinfalls. Yeah. So it's a wrestling build. Alright, so basically it's the only wrestling app out there. So I know, so it's unique. So this one is for pure wrestling fans. Alright then guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, I forgot one. Alright, so this one, Urban Steel, as one of these guys from Hackney, sort of cool. Here in London, you know, I don't know if they still do it. The youth, every time they end the sentence, they use the word steel. Well, not every time, but yeah. So Urban Steel is basically it's like Dr. Manhattan build, but with more stuff on it. So those of you who've tried Dr. Manhattan, you know it's a fully loaded build. Is one of the best builds in the world. This is basically a gangster version of Dr. Manhattan. So you got background pictures of those what's those that family gangster film TV shows? The Irish one. You got the London one with that guy who plays Venom, who they say he got sacked recently being on TV. I think he's on it. Yeah, that family's on it. The Irish one. What's the Irish one called? Every time I do these videos, I'm always forgetting about the names. Anyways, it's basically a gangster theme, musical. Urban means city, London, inner city, stuff. Yeah, there you go. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.